Welcome to Wall Street Confidential. Many may be wondering why natural gas went down last week. Many are saying it's because the dollar got so strong. But Jim, what do you think triggered the whole move down?
Right, well, great question. And the rally continues today in nat gas. There's a perception. It's so wide that it infected Barron's this weekend, which is that the reason why commodities are ramping is because the dollar's been so weak. That is that same xenophobic, ethnocentric philosophy that I've seen really permeate so much of the media. The dollar is not the reason why any commodity goes up or down. It's demand and supply. The demand of natural gas is extraordinary. Why? Because it historically trades at a 6-to-1 ratio with oil. It should be 6 times what to get parity with oil. It's so obviously well below that, even at $10, that there's just great demand. Inventories are declining. They're drilling like mad. It has become a more reliable fuel. It is no longer being dumped by foreigners into our country because it's too expensive over there. So every time you get a dip that's based on what I regard as faulty reasoning in the natural gas stocks, you want to move. Now, Encana is up very big. XTO is my focus right now. I own it for ActionAlertsPlus.com. It had been one of the strongest performers. It reported a great number last week, big increase in reserves, but it got hit anyway because it was part of the wave of this mistaken notion of the dollar plus profit taking. The group remains the strongest group in this market other than the fertilizer stocks, and I remain incredibly bullish on natural gas.
I think what a lot of people may be wondering is if this rally can continue.
Well, this is a difficult point because the umbrella here is oils. I have been saying that oil goes to 125. We're pretty darn close to that. But given the fact that natural gas is historically supposed to be trading at a much higher level to oil, oil could come down and you would have to buy natural gas stocks, even though it's quite obvious that every time the oil futures go down, this group gets hit. This group should be trading off the natural gas futures, not the oil futures, and those are going higher.
Okay, what do you think? Is it too late to start buying again?
No, I do not think so.
Okay, thanks, Jim. That is natural gas on the Street.com TV. Stay tuned for more of Wall Street Confidential.